India, we have seen on the name of homework, we are only given written.
If our teachers don't give us homework, so how we can improve? That's why
And it is also helpful to children to management their time.
The education system in India do not give the quality of.
No, it's not like that.
There any
They
other
are,
option?
as you mentioned, the mobile phone.
There any other
As
option?
you mentioned, mobile phone.
Let me-
most of
let
the
me
time,
under- let me
they
make
are
you
using
understand.
mobile phone
Let me
and
make you
ChatGPT.
understand.
Hi everyone. Guys, how are you all? That's lovely. Today we are in Conquerors 8 o'clock batch and we are going to go with group discussion. This topic is going to be very common, simple, but yeah, I want everybody to raise their opinion. Out of everyone, only there's a one boy who is in school, the rest of you are school passed out. But yeah, this question or the topic is similar to school. Or it's from school we can say. Homework should be given or should not be given in school. So I simply want each one of you to place your opinion one by one and let's see what really you reach out to. So here we start. Who would like to start first? Mohsin, please start first. So according to me, homework should be given because it's really important for human development, brain development. If our teachers don't give us homework, so how we can improve? That's why homework should be given by teachers because it's very necessary. But I am not a favor with too much homework. Like I am favor with less homework but impactful homework. So that's why I am favor with homework should be given.
I personally believe that homework should not be given because speak about a child. He's already giving his or her 6 hour in a school, and the entire day he's completely into his books and pen and between his copy. So it is not about that. Okay, he has done his entire day. I mean, he has studied entire day. Apart from that, if he has gone, if he went to her home, his home, so he should do other tasks as well. Because in India, we have seen on the name of homework, we are only given the written thing. Every time we were just given to make the notes or to do any essay or like this thing. We are not told to do any other extra curriculum activity. We were never told that you should do a different kind of work like plantation or I mean you come with a different practice thing. So from this, because of all these things, I do believe that homework should not be there.
After the schooling, student are taking tuition classes, and tuition center are also giving the homework to students, and it is a cause of anxiety and stress, and students are taking it as a task, and they are only they write it and they are completing the homework, and they are not gaining the knowledge from that thing. And eh, and most of the time we can see students and parents, they are not giving time to each other. If in a that time when students are spending their time to write a homework, so he or she can spend their time with their parents, and they can learn lots of things with their parents.
I would like to go with that homework should be given because it is necessary to development of the child. Because after he come back to school, the child, so he should at least see means it's responsibility on him that he can means give the answer themselves, and it will help the parents as well because if the homework is given, so parents can see what is going in school. So and it is also helpful to children to management their time. And if we talk about the future, it means it's a habit of development, the time management. So I am favoring it with.
I do agree with all of your points, but I prefer going with her points. Like students already spend too many hours in school, like 6 hours in school, and then heading towards school and coming back. They get less time to spend with their families, and they get very less time to spend going outside and play. And I think the education system in India do not gives the quality of homework that they give in other countries. Like in India, a student mostly what they do is just ask the toppers their notebooks and copy it. So it is not giving any benefits to the children, and many of their parents like children are not available to help them with their homeworks. And those who are available, like those who are educated well, they already send their students to tuitions, like that adds extra hours to their whole schedule. And those who can't send their students to tuitions, they probably have financial issues and they do not have time to help them in their homeworks also. So I think homework should not be given in India. The way it is structured in India is very rote learning based, and it is just copy and paste type of homework, and they do not learn anything in India. It should be creative, and it should not be just copy and paste of. The whole class receives the same kind of homework, and they all just copy each other. So this should not happen. This should not continue.
I have a question for you. Like you are saying that self-study, we are talking about children's. Are you know about like with your personal experience from the classes, young classes, or I can talking about like class 6th. If you are in class 6th, you are aware about self-study? Like you are able to do self-study if without telling you कि do this and this. Are you aware about self-study कि I'm going to do self-study at home? If you are not giving a homework, means you are not getting homework. Are you able to do self-study?
Okay, I would like to answer. I would like to answer this
Okay.
question. As you told me that are you aware about the self studies at the age of 6? So that's the main problem. At the age of 6, I should know about the self studies, not about the doing the homework at home. This should have happened. The main thing is that in India we are continuously focusing on the written thing. I do agree with the thing that whatever the thing we write on the paper, it keeps in our mind for a long time. But its definition is changed in India. Every time we just keep on writing without thinking about anything.
Yes.
As Amit mentioned, that it is about the copying from others. And here we are talking about the holistic development. In holistic development, we require each and everything. We require our time to be balanced. We should give time to everything. We should give time for ourselves to do whatever the thing what we like. We should give our time for the physical work. It is about the physical, it is about the game or other thing that we love to do or we should do. It is not about the studies only. Na?
Yes,
Studies
yes.
we are doing already.
Homework is overall about all the work. It can be physical work also, or it can be.
Yeah,
हाँ, yes.
it
Homework
can
is
be,
not
but
only
in
like,
India it is not.
we are talking about overall, na, not only India.
Yeah, but we are living in India, so I am talking about here only.
It's a universal thing, I guess. So you can, if you are talking with the universal aspect, the homework should be given.
So it's a universal concept. Then the world's happiest country is Finland, and they give only homework for 15 minutes
Yes.
only, and that's not compulsory. They give when it is needed, and they don't most of the time.
It should be time mannered. I am like with the point. It should be time mannered, but homework should be given according to me, because children's mindset are like golden fish memory. They will forget easily. Like we can take the example of the classes. Everyone like forget the previous yesterday classes, what happened in the class. So if there is a homework, you will remember and you are continuing with that thing.
I have an answer of question of ahead. You were saying कि homework should not be given. That what is the another option for the students? There is another option according to me. There is another option if education department change the method of the to the practically. If in school teacher teach with the practically help, like they can show a display, and there was will be the we can say the one example should be watch students, and like train was going on the platform, and there was a crossing that people should be stopped at the stop point, and after the crossing the train, then any person should be cross the platform. So teachers take help for the practically help. That's it.
I would add some things because you all are saying that homework is the main topic. How you get your homework? When you got studied and when you completed your chapter, after that you got your homework. Your main objective is like that. You're getting homework, you're copying and pasting. Homework is not like that because if you are doing your work, your teacher taught you something and then he said you that complete it and revise it at your home. That's the thing which we called it homework.
Criticizing right condition is very easy. If you have any solution, so you can give us like you gave the example of only one country and rest of the 199 country is giving homework. Why they are giving homework? Because they know the practical things, the education system of their government. They know about the children who are not aware of many things. Norway is a very great country, very succeed country. They have the proper knowledge about their family is aware. Their family is aware. The government structure, education system, all is fine. But in India, we have to change all the scenario, all the government system, all the education system. We are not able to do all the things. That's why we have to give homework to the student because in exam time they are not mentally aware. They are continuously using mobile phone. There are a lot of things who can distract them from their path. So how they can be consistent? Because homework gives pressure to the children and then children can follow. Children have no idea. Children have no another things after doing homework. So homework is a perfect thing for Indian students because they are very distractive. They have very distractive mind.
Yeah, as you told about that, the pressure, because the thing is that children will be pressurized that then they will do the homework, right?
Because
It
we
was
have
the thing
because
that
we only work when we got pressure. Because nowadays the scenario is
scenario is like this and we need
give
to
you
change
free,
the scenario, right?
whenever we give you free mind, then people distract easily, and pressure makes you to be in same field.
Okay, I have a question for you. The much homework is given to student. Are you really satisfied, or are you very confident that all the students are doing their homework by themselves?
There is
No,
any other
it is
option?
not like that.
There any other option?
As you mentioned, that mobile phone.
There any other
As
option?
you mentioned, mobile phone.
Let me-
most of
let
the
me
time,
underst- let me
they
make
are
you
using
understand.
mobile phone
Let me
and
make you
ChatGPT
understand.
to do the homework.
By
right?
doing that thing, at least copy and paste also is a skill, and that skills gives you 50%. Not all the 100% you learn, but not doing anything is much better than doing copy paste. Copy paste is also a kind of a skill.
Okay, we are living in an India where people are considering that copy and paste is a skill, not doing other thing, right? No, physical thing is not a skill. Doing their own hobby is not skill. What they like, they don't. It is not a skill. Holistical development is not a skill, but copy paste is a skill. Give a solution. Solution should be that students should not given the homework.
So at least like according to these people, like homework should be not given because they are cheating on using internet on ChatGPT. But according to me, at least they are researching, they are reading about it, at least they are researching about their studies, about their books. At least they will after some time they will definitely become a good person in their life because they have ability to research. So according to me, homework should be given but not be too much. Thank you so much.